and welcome back to the craft room. Thank you for joining. Today I wanted to show you something different when it comes to Christmas crafts. If you have or live near by the beach, you can use driftwood to create these kind of different and joyful. I would use it in a basket, in front of a basket, or as a thing on a gift. So yeah, they're kind of art pieces or little things that you could put on, but I use driftwood, old ornaments, sayings, and sometimes glitter and some trees. Since I ran out of driftwood because I don't live next to a beach, I am going to use this one to show you how I did this cute little project. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, idea is very simple. We have some old ornaments, as I used in this big one, and some joyful sayings. I found these, they are like stickers kind of thing, three-dimensional. I had tons of those. I don't have any Christmas trees left, but I do have some glitter and some snow if I want to. But I used the E600 glue. It's really good glue. So I'm going to make a quick ornament here for you. We'll put some glue on the surface here. Obviously we should decide whether our ornament goes this way or the other way. And this glue, it just keep on going. So I'm going to cap it up quick. So I'm going to choose this. I liked it hers. She was really cute. Maybe this way. There you go. Let's put that thing there. There. There's your ornament. And then I wanted to put some saying over there. You could use different kind of glue as well. This glue just glues everything. So that's why I like this glue a lot. I mean, you can use it for fabric, for wood, for glass, anything and everything. So this is a rubber. So it's a good glue. So here we go. We're going to glue that thing in there. And might want to, because it is a one object over another object, it might take a little bit of pressing. But if I would like to, I'm going to hold this up for you guys. I am going to add some glitter here as well, so that this ornament will be more festive. All right, let's just add glitter and our ornament is done. It's a little crooked. Okay. All right. My crafts are for all kinds of crafters, all ages, and I try to keep them really quick and very easy. So this is how the ornament now looks. I think it's very festive and it'll be a very fun gift for, or accessory for a basket, or yeah, or a gift as it is. I bet my mom will like this. So anyway, I want to wish you guys very happy holidays and thank you for watching, and keep on crafting, and I will see you next time. All right, thanks again. Bye.